Research and Development Coordinator at SAE Inc. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix a pail of ConduFlow in 4 easy steps. Step 1 is to acquire a high torque drill for mixing and grout mixing paddle. I recommend the Quick Mix mixer model 819 or similar. Step 2 is to open the pail and mix the ConduFlow liquid backfill for 1 to 2 minutes until a smooth consistency. While mixing the ConduFlow, slowly add the curing agent. Then continue to mix the ConduFlow and the curing agent for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until a smooth consistency. Use the ConduFlow liquid backfill within 10 minutes of adding the curing agent. And there you have it, you're good to go. For more information on how SAE's innovative products can help you solve your grounding issues, check out our other SAE snaps below or visit our website. SAE, it can be done.